Hello everyone, welcome to the BYJU'S Exam Prep, the most comprehensive app for all exams. And sorry for delay. Now some practical issue. Now we are going to discuss what toppers do from August. Why? Because now notification out for GATE 2023 and we are having only 6 months. Give me 1 second. 1 minute. We are having only 6 months. Give me 1 second. 1 minute. Okay. Now, first of all, inform me that sound quality, picture quality, everything is fine. And everyone, very good evening. And this session is very, very important for you because now I am going to discuss what proper strategy for next 6 months. But first of all, I want to ask you one question. Everyone, are you ready to give the answer? Now, do you want to get the single digit rank? Do you want to become topper? Yes or no? Give me the answer. First of all, if you want to get the single digit rank, if you want to become the topper, then this is the session for you. Otherwise, you can leave the session. Okay? Because now we have only 6 months. And with this 6 months, we have to get the single digit rank. Then we have to follow the proper planning. Right? Now, first of all, my introduction, myself Sanjay Rathi. I am having around 21 years of teaching experience. Yes, Techno boss. You want single digit rank and you want first rank. Okay. Yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible. Now, this is my introduction. I am having around 21 plus years of teaching experience. I have qualified and selected for engineering services exam that is conducted by what? UPSC. Okay, these are my ranks: AIR 16 in ESE 2005 and AIR 21 in ESE 2008. And I have mentored more than 1 lakh students for these competitive exams. Right. Now, second thing, what about the notification? Notification out for GATE exam, according to that, from Tuesday, that is 30th August 2022. Right? And that is the date for online application process. Closing date on Friday, 30th September. Closing date of extended online application process, that is on Friday from the 7th October 2022. And finally, my dear friend, the GATE exam will be on 4th and 5th and 11th and 12th Feb of 2023. As you know, everyone have the idea about the timetable, Saturday and Sunday. That is the first and second week of Feb. Means now we have almost 6 months for this exam. So what should be our strategy? Okay, everyone. Now, we have only 6 months, means what? Countdown already started, right? We are having 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and finally it will be what? 0. Okay. Now, my dear friends, how many days we have actually? How many days we have? That is more important, right? We have around 180 days. During 180 days, we have to cover the complete syllabus. We have to make the detailed notes. We have to make the short notes. We have to make the micro notes. And we have to solve number of questions. Last 20 years, minimum previous year questions. Then questions from what? Engineering services exam previous year questions from various branch, questions from math, question for aptitude and so on. So number of tasks. We have to complete all these tasks within what? Within 180 days. Then, is it possible without any proper planning? Everyone, tell me, is it possible? No, it is not possible. And that is the session for all the branch: electronics, electrical, mechanical, civil, computer science, IT. Okay. So what about the next 180 days? Now I am going to discuss. First of all, is this question in your mind? How to become the topper? How many students want to become the topper? Then first question in your mind, how to become the topper, right? Second question, just one by one I am giving you the question. Do toppers come from another planet? That is from the Mars or what, that from the moon or what, Venus? Is it so? Or that toppers not from the other country, they are from what, India? We are getting the first rank, okay? And the toppers from India, not from the other planet. Some students are thinking that toppers are aliens. Are the toppers aliens? Is it so? Right? Some students are thinking that it is not possible for me to get the single digit rank because actually the toppers are aliens. They are from the different planets. They have, right, IQ level is very, very high, and they are from the convent school. The basics of those toppers are very strong. I can't compete with those students. Is it so? No, it is not right thing. It is just a myth, right? We can get the single digit rank in any exam, right? No doubt. GATE is also a tough exam, but we can get the single digit rank, right? Now, next question in your mind. Does the topper have a high IQ? That is again a myth. That is not so. Simple practice. If we are making the smart timetable, if we are doing the hard work, if we are getting the command over the concept, then we can also get the single digit rank. Again, it is a myth. Again, it is a myth. Okay then. Now, do only the toppers crack GATE exam? We are not able to crack GATE exam. We are not going to get the rank in a GATE exam. How many students are thinking like this? Everyone tell me. Please give me the right answer. Are you thinking like this? That I am not able to get the single digit rank. I am not having the idea about the subjects. The 6 months is what, very less. Within 6 months, it is not possible to get the command over the subject. Right? That means we have to make what? Proper strategy for GATE 2022. Okay then. Is GATE exam too difficult? How many students are thinking like that? The GATE exam is too difficult and the syllabus is very large. We have to cover the number of questions. We have to solve number of questions from previous year question paper and so on. It is not possible to do all these things within 6 months. Are you thinking like this? Yes, please tell me. No. If no, then my dear friend, yes, the GATE exam is really tough. No doubt. No doubt it is a tough. We have to cover what number of subjects, right? And we have to solve number of questions. Yes, it is a reality. It is a reality that GATE exam is not so easy exam. What is the reality? Yes, the GATE exam is tough. We have to cover the number of subjects. We have to solve the number of questions. We have to solve the previous year questions. Otherwise, it is not possible to get the single digit rank in GATE exam. But my dear friend, it is not impossible. It is not impossible. Actually, normally students are using this word, impossible, sir. It is not possible for me to get the single digit rank in GATE exam. But it is not so. It is possible. Okay? So no doubt it is a tough exam again, but it is possible. How it is possible? How is it possible to get the single digit rank? Then we have to make the proper planning for this. Now I am going to discuss. My dear friend, if we are making the proper planning, then GATE exam is not difficult. It is highly competitive that can be managed with the right preparation. That is the true line for the GATE exam. Remember always, means we have to manage with for the right preparation. That this exam can be managed. Okay? Then, my dear friends, what about the toppers? Toppers are not different from the others. Only the style of the execution is what? Different. Now, what is the difference between the topper students and what? Normal students. Right? And then I will give you the idea how to make the proper timetable, what should be the proper strategy, right? And how to get the command over the subject, and how to solve the questions, and how to give the quizzes, mock test, and right time to start your revision, and right time to give the mock test. Each and everything I am going to discuss. Okay then. Now, first difference between the topper student and what? Normal student. Very good evening, right? And now, my dear friend, Sir Praveen, sir, my GATE 2020 rank is 13, rank improvement strategy. Yes, Praveen, I am going to discuss each and everything here. Now, my dear friends, first of all, what is the difference between the normal student and topper? Topper understands the topic, and average students are generally cramming the topic. Cramming means what? Simply we are giving the semester exam, and over the night we want to get the command over complete subject, but it is not possible. No doubt, we all are engineers. We are able to crack the semester exam over the night, right? Yes or no? Simply, we are simply go through the syllabus, right? What are the important points? We are getting the command over those points over the night, and we are giving the semester exam. And we are getting the good rank or good marks in semester exam, 80 out of 100, 90 out of 100 in semester exam. But my dear friend, this concept or this theory will not work for what GATE exam. If you want to crack the GATE exam, then you have to understand the topic. You have to get the command over the concept, right? And then after that, after getting the command over the subject topic, you have to solve number of previous year questions. Now I want to explain one strategy with you. Very simple strategy. First of all, go through the notes, right? And after that, once go through the notes, it may be the class notes, it may be your self notes, right? Study notes. Revise each and everything, then try to solve the previous year questions. Previous year question means what? Last 20 year GATE question. And then what? Plus what? Engineering services exam. Why? Because around 70 to 80% of GATE and ESE syllabus are what? Common. So once you are going to solve the questions from the GATE paper, and then after that engineering services exam, you will get the idea about MSQ, multiple select question. That is the new pattern in GATE exam. Numerical answer type question, and third thing is what? MCQ, multiple choice questions. Then for last 20 years GATE paper, as well as what? Engineering services exam pre only, not mains, only pre, right? After previous year question, you will get the idea. After analysis of this, you will get the idea. What idea? Which are the weak point, which are the strong point. Okay. Now for weak point, you have to follow what? Again, notes, some specific video on the YouTube, right? Or you can follow what? Books. That is what? Textbook. Standard textbook. Simply, right? If suppose I am weak in some topic, then definitely I will go through the specific video related to those topics, or I will follow special notes for those topics, or I will follow the standard textbook, so that I will get the command over those topics. This is a very, very simple strategy. If you are going to follow this strategy, notes, first of all, your notes. This is called class notes or detailed notes. Then previous year question, last 20 year, minimum 20 years GATE plus engineering services. Why engineering services? For MSQ, numerical answer type question, MCQs. After that, analysis of those papers. After analysis, you will get the idea which are the strong point, which are the weak point. Then work for weak points through the notes, specific videos, textbook. Solve number of questions from the textbook, standard solved questions, solved example only. Solved example. Because we have the limited time, then try to solve the solved example from the textbook. Once you will get the command over the week, then your subject is over. And then next cycle for what? Next subject. Very, very simple strategy. And tell me, how many students are following this strategy? How many students are following this strategy? Very simple strategy. If you want to get the command over the subject, particular topic, that is the simple strategy. Notes, previous year question, analysis, again, specific notes, video, and then for next topic, again, you have to follow the class notes. No, some students are from what? They are joining the online classes. Some students from the offline classes. Some students are doing simply self-study. Okay. Some students are in job. Some students are college going students. Some students are in third year, some are in fourth year or final year, right? So different candidates are giving the GATE 2023, but the strategy will remain almost same. If you want to get the single digit rank, then you have to follow the same strategy, same planning, right? Okay then. So that is the simple strategy. Next one. Now my dear friend, what is the first difference? Topper understand the topic. Average students are generally cramming the topic, right? To try to understand the topic, and that is the way how we are going to get the command over the particular topic. Next, topper knows the importance of time. Yes, that is important. Now my dear friend, how many days we have actually? We have only 180 days. We have only 180 days. Each and every day is important, right? And during this 6 months, we have number of many festivals, right? Yes or no? So if suppose we are wasting single day, simple single day, then it will become very difficult for you to crack the gate with what? Top rank. So remember that topper knows the importance of time. Average student does not care about the time. हो जाएगा ना, जल्दी क्या है, कल से start करते हैं, and so on. This type of attitude for all competitive exam. Sir, in this 5 months enough for the maximum subjects preparation last month January for mock test. Yes, we can. Sai Pawan, you can follow the that simple strategy. Okay, right. Now, topper never procrastinate. Means what? टालने की आदत नहीं है उसमें. And average students always procrastinate. Means simply, right? We are simply delaying our program. We are simply delaying. Suppose we want to start this subject, right? Then we are simply delaying. Okay, I will start it from the tomorrow, or I will start it from the day after tomorrow, and so on. Simply we are delaying all the programs. That is the simple habit of average student. Always remember. And this cycle is very, very dangerous. What is this cycle? Then this is called procrastination cycle. My dear friend, it will give you the guilty. You feel the guilty after that. Then panic. It will create panic. Then you are going to make excuses. Sir, it is very, very difficult for me. The GATE exam is very difficult. The number of subjects are too high. I have to prepare math, aptitude, technical subjects. Some are the basics, some are the core subject, right? And it is not possible with the semester exam. It is not possible with the job, right? This type of excuses normally we are giving. And that is called what? This procrastination cycle. This is a very, 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 very dangerous. So my dear friends, if you want to start your preparation, then simply start it now. Right? तो हम लोग बार बार बोलते हैं कल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब. So please start your preparation now. Make proper timetable just after this session. Okay? If you want to get the single digit rank. Yes, Vicky, what is your question, Vignesh? Sir, I am parallelly preparing for both GATE and core, and can I get the single digit rank? Definitely. Both GATE and core, what is this? You are preparing for GATE exam, na? Actually. Okay then. Now, normally we are making what? Timetable. If suppose you want to remove this habit, then simply you have to make the proper timetable. Schedule your each work. Right? So normally all the engineers are making the proper timetable or perfect timetable. You have the idea about how to make the timetable, right? We are writing each and everything on the page, right? So wake up time, this is the 6 and so on. 6 a.m. this one, that is breakfast, then self-study, question practice session, this is the rest time, right? In this time we have to attend the online class or offline class. Then I have to give the quiz, I have to make the notes, right? I have to solve the previous year questions. Now, write all the works here. Write all the works. Breakfast, dinner, lunch, right? Self-study, question practice, rest time, online classes or offline classes timing, quizzes, how to make the notes, we have to solve the previous year questions, and so on. Okay? To write all the works on the single paper. After that, make proper timetable. Make proper timetable. And remember that we have only 180 days. During 180 days, we have to cover around 10 to 12 subjects. 10 to 12 subject. Then finally, we have to make the proper notes. Then what? Short notes for revision. Okay. Then finally, we have to revise each and everything. Okay. Sai, I will give the answer for all the questions. Please wait for 5 minutes. After completing this, I will try to give the answer for your question. Okay, I am third year, recently came to know about the GATE. Can I create? Definitely, definitely. And that's why I am taking this session. Okay. Now, write all the works. Okay. Then, once you write all the works, then make proper timetable for all these things. From morning to up to what? Evening. From 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. to what? Up to 11 p.m. Make proper timetable for all these things. But what is the problem? Normally we are making the timetable. Like watch this. This is the timetable. 6 a.m. wake up time. 6:30 revision. 8 a.m. chapter 1. 10 a.m. break. 10:30 chapter 2. 1 p.m. I will start chapter 3. That is the proper timetable. But what is the reality? 6 a.m. wake up time. And what is the actually in reality? 10 a.m. this will become wake up time. Then at 10:30 I am thinking for the study. I will start my thinking. Okay, that is the problem. 1 p.m. again I will think for the next chapter. 3 p.m. again think. And 5 p.m. I will start studying from the tomorrow. It is too early to start the preparation for what? GATE exam. How many students are making this type of timetable? Tell me. How many students are making this type of timetable? Right, we are making the timetable. Actually, we are making the timetable, but we are not following it. Execution is very weak. Right? Execution. This is the problem with the students. We are making very hard timetable. Hard timetable means what? 12 hours study per day. Practically possible. 12 hours. After 12 hours, for 2 or 3 days, 12 hours. After that, it will become 8 hours. Then it will become 4 hours, and then finally it will become 1 hour, and then no study. Then no study. There is no consistency. No consistency. Simply make a proper timetable, lenient timetable. I can give daily 5 hours. Okay, no issue. I am giving daily 5 hours, no problem. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. If suppose I am giving this 12 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. This is not feasible, but this is feasible. Daily 5 hours. This is called what? Consistency. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. If suppose we are giving the daily 5 hours, 180 into 5. Everyone tell me, how many hours? 900. I think that calculation is right. Yes. 900 hours for self-study. If we are giving 900 hours for self-study, then my dear friends, you are going to get the command over the subject. I am talking about the self-study. Now, during that, you are going to attend live classes or online live classes or what? Offline online classes. Definitely, you are going to attend the classes. You are going to give, attempt what? Quizzes, mock tests. If simply you are giving daily 5 hours for self-study, then you are going to get the command over the subject, command over the topic, and command over the complete syllabus. How many students are able to give the minimum 5 hours? How many students? No need to make this type of timetable. Sir, I am able to give the 12 hours. Practically not possible. I will give the 10 hours daily for self-study. Practically not possible. Not possible. Right? 5 hours, practically possible. But you have to start it now. Right? Tomorrow morning, 5 to 10, or tomorrow evening, it may be late night, no problem, 8 to 3. Or 8 to what? 1 p.m. 1 a.m. 8 p.m. to what? 1 a.m. Continuous 5 hours. Continuous 5 hours. Okay then. Sir, yes sir, I can give the 6 hours for, I am talking about the self-study. Okay. I am talking about the self-study. Means if you are going to make the proper timetable, means 5 hours for self-study, 2 to 3 hours for online classes. If you are going to attend the regular classes, then online or offline classes. Daily 1 hour for what? Quiz and so on. Right? And 1 hour for what? Revision. Automatically it will goes up to what? 10 hours. Then revision or what? Question practice. Self-study means what? Simply we are giving this time to get the command over concept of a particular subject. Okay then. Then second thing, once you have decided that I want to get the single digit rank, okay, then I want to become toppers, okay, then after that shorten the duration of learning curve. Normally some student, then one student asked me, sir, is it possible to get the single digit rank in next 6 months? Yes, it is possible, but you have to shorten the duration of learning curve. What is the meaning of this learning curve? My dear friend, watch this curve. This is actually the learning process. Try to understand. That is the knowledge of the topic, and that is the time spent learning topic, how much time is required. Always remember that curve is important, and it is similar to what? Charging of the capacitor. So what about the, initially all things are very easy. So up to 50% it will take very less time. Up to 50% it will take very less time. Then after 50 to 70 it will take more time, and then from 70 to 100% it will take infinite time. It is never ever possible to get the command over 100% of the particular topic. Never possible. Never possible. But yes, it is possible to get the command over 80 to 90% of any subject. 80 to 90% of any subject. So initially the learning is very fast because these are the easy topic. After that, when we are entering into the conceptual topic, it will take more time. It will take more time. Yes, this is a transient and steady state curve. So definitely it will take more time. Then may I reduce this time? Yes, with practice, with some strategy, proper timetable, right, and proper guidance, you can reduce this. Which curve is fast? Everyone tell me. Which curve is fast? First one or second one? Solid line or dashed line? Which curve is fast? Everyone knows that the second one. This is the fast curve. Fast means what? If suppose I want to get the command over 70% or 80% of the topic, like this is the 80%, my dear friend, this is the 80%, 80 or more than 80%. Second curve will take only 6 months or 5 months because we have the only 5 months, and after that 1 month for revision, it will take 8 months. Tell me which curve is suitable for you. Which curve is suitable for you? Everyone tell me. Now definitely the second curve is suitable because we have only 6 months. Means we have to get the command over all the subject within 5 months, right? And then 1 month for complete revision. So definitely we have to, right? So what is the shorten the duration of learning curve? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. It is possible. How it is possible? Simply 4-step process to shorten the learning curve. First of all, try to learn the concept. Give enough time to get the command over the basics and concept of the subject. No hurry. Give enough time to get the command over the concept. Then second thing, practice number of questions. Number of authentic questions. We are here to provide you the authentic questions from the various subject. Okay. Authentic question means what? Definitely we will provide you the questions from the standard textbook, and we will give you the questions from our experience plus previous year questions. All the previous year questions are authentic questions. Take the feedback means analysis. Proper analysis is required. Get the feedback, which topics are weak, which topics are strong, and then re-execute it. Make proper timetable for all this, then we can reduce our time. And yes, it is possible to get the command over all the subject within 5 months. You have to make the proper schedule and proper timetable. Okay. Now, next one. Finally, Tips to become a topper in GATE 2023. Read this point, that is point for you. Everyone, you have the idea about all these points. Actually, we are giving the excuses. Simply we are making the timetable, but we are not following those timetable. Yes or no? We all are engineers, right? We are making the timetable from what? Class 5th, then in class 5th, then in class 8th, then in class 10th, then proper timetable for what? Engineering entrance exam. It may be IIT or it may be what? Pre-engineering test, right? State engineering level test. We are making number of timetable, but actually we are not following those timetable. But this time we have to make the proper practical timetable so that we are able to follow those timetable. Try to follow those timetable, strictly follow those timetable, and then avoid last moment preparation. Remember that. If suppose you want to prepare for GATE in month of what, December or January, then it is not possible, my dear friends. Then it is not possible. Choose best for life, not best for you. Okay, always remember that. According to us, what is the best? Definitely, this word is very, very important for you. You need a plan. Proper planning, proper timetable is required. Don't be mediocre, right? Madhyam marg mein mat rahiye. Extreme, 0 or 1. Do you want to get the single digit rank? Yes or no? But some students simply they are saying, okay sir, no problem. If I am going to get the rank within 500, it is okay. If I am going to get the rank within 1000, is it okay? It is okay for me. No mediocre. Yes or no? Tell me. If you want the single digit rank, yes or no? It should be binary. No doubt. If we are trying for the first rank, definitely we are going to get the rank under 100 or under 500. But suppose we are thinking that we want to get the rank under 500, then definitely you are not going to get the rank under 1000. Or it may possible you are not going to get rank under what, 5000 also. Yes, it is possible. So if we are thinking about the first rank, or if we are thinking about the single digit rank, definitely you are going to get the rank under 100. Okay. And that is the, that should be your mindset. Okay then next one, learn from your mistake. That is very, very important. Already I have given how to get the feedback, how to solve the questions, how to solve the previous year questions, right? But after solving the question, analyze each and every question, right? If suppose we are making a silly mistake, then try to avoid those type of silly mistake. If there is some conceptual mistake, try to avoid those type of conceptual mistake. If we are not able to attempt those questions, then after giving the paper, try to give the again those papers. Okay, so that is the learn from your mistake. Give priority to the study. Choose the study as interest. Always get motivated. This is very, very important. If you want to get the first rank, then definitely. Okay. If you have any question, then you can ask. Yes. Sir, now I am trying to give the answer for your question. Sir, it's getting difficult to manage the college and preparation. Okay, Ritesh. How many students have this type of difficulty? Very difficult to manage the timetable between what job and what preparation, or some students find difficulty between what college and what preparation. Yes. Now, 1 or 2 times, R.K. Charan, Shivam Kumar. Okay. Now, simply some students are in job like college plus what GATE preparation. Okay. Right. Now I am just giving you the simple solution for this. During college, if suppose it is mandatory to attend the college, right? It is mandatory to attend the college. Then during college time, sometimes we have linear lectures and so on, free times. So during free time, try to solve previous year question. Right? Second, give early morning, right? Set the time 4 a.m. to what? 8 a.m. Or you can choose what? 3 a.m. to what? 8 a.m. 5 hours. 4 hours minimum or 5 hours. Make proper timetable, make proper schedule for this. Right? This is the one way. And within 5 hours you are going to get the command over the concepts. If you want to make the concept, then it is the suitable time for you, 3 a.m. morning, early morning to 8 a.m. And you have to make strict timetable for this because you want to get the single digit rank. Your college is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Abhijit. No problem. You have to make the proper timetable, 3 to 8 a.m. or late night you can follow from evening. If suppose you have the evening time, then from 8 to what? 1 a.m. 8 p.m. I am talking about the evening time, 8 p.m. to 1 a.m. Again, we are going to have the 5 hours. Then 1 a.m. to 6 or 7, that is the sleeping time. And then from what, 8 to, you are giving the time what? 8 to 5 p.m. Okay, Abhijit. 8 to 5 college. No problem. Or in college, try to solve some previous year questions. Okay. And Saturday, Sunday, we have the weekend. So during weekend, try to solve what? Questions from math and aptitude. In this way, we are going to get the command over the subject. You have to make what? Proper timetable for all these things. Second thing, what is the question? Same schedule for what? Job plus a GATE preparation. Yes. Okay then. Pritesh, sir, take any subject for our class means what you want? Our colleges or semester exam. Yes. Or in a paid courses. You are already in a paid courses on BYJU'S Exam Prep. Definitely I will take 1 or 2 subject. Then any other question, my dear students? Though 3 category, all students, if you are in 3rd year, you are going to get the first rank, no problem. If you are in final year, again you can get the first rank, no problem. If you are in job, again you are going to get the single digit rank. Or if you are pass out student or just a dropper, and if you want to improve your rank, one student asked me that, sir, already I have the 1300 rank, but now I want to improve my rank. My dear friend, you are saying that I want to improve my rank. Be specific. Last year my rank was 1300. Sir, this time I want to get the single digit rank. I want to get the first rank. Give me the idea. How is it possible? Mindset. Right? It is very, very important. Now tell me, last year if your rank was 1300, already you have covered the 60 to 70% of the syllabus. Now focused on your weak area. Focused on your weak area, right? And then give number of quizzes, mock test, revise your old notes, and now you are going to get the single digit rank. So why you are saying that I want to improve my rank? What is the meaning of the improvement? If you are you have the 1300 rank and this time you are giving you are going to get the 1200 rank. Is there is any? Yes, there is an improvement. Yes. 100 rank, it is improved by the 100 rank. Be specific. Yes, I want to get the single digit rank. Okay then. So this is all about for the next 6 month strategy. Just I am concluding. Always remember, first of all, make proper timetable for next 180 days. The timetable should be practical, right? Second thing, try to maintain the consistency. Don't try to avoid or don't try to delay the timetable and simply strictly follow the timetable. Go through your notes, study notes, class notes. Try to solve number of previous year questions, minimum 20 years, last 20 years GATE paper, last 15 years from engineering services exam papers, objective only. I am talking about the objective only, so that you will get the idea about the MSQ, MCQ and what numerical answer type question. And then analyze the paper, right? And after that, go through your weak point. Simple strategy. Okay? Okay then. Sir, I am working as a site engineer. How can I manage myself? Chaitanya, you have to get the idea about the free time. Make proper schedule and you will get the idea of which time is free for you. Right? Again, you are going to get what? Minimum 5 to 6 hours daily. Minimum 5 to 6 hours daily. If we are giving 5 to 6 hours daily with consistency, then you are going to get the command over the subject. And for last month, in month of January, try to get what leave for what 1 or 2 months in month of December and January. Okay, then yes, it is possible to get the rank. Nihal Singh, how to manage the time and divide the subject in case for equal importance? How to manage the time and divide the subject in case for equal importance? Simply, you can start with the 1 paper or you can start with the 2 paper. Okay, simply 1 paper strategy means you can choose paper number 1, then subject 1, complete it, then you can start the second subject. Then after completion of the second, then you can start the third subject. After that, fourth subject. This is the one strategy. What is the second strategy? 2 subject at a time. Right? 2 subject strategy. 2 subject strategy means what? Normally, suppose we are making timetable, like for example, I am making first subject. First subject I am giving the time in morning time. Right? If suppose we are having the time, you can give the morning time like 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. I will give the time to what? First subject. Then second subject. Evening time 6 to 10 p.m. daily. Right? But if we are choosing the more than 2 subjects, then it will become very difficult for you to manage more than 2 subjects. Or second thing, Monday to Friday, 1 subject. You can choose any core subject from your branch, or Saturday and Sunday, weekend, you can choose what? Math or what? Aptitude. So that is called 2 subject strategy. Means what is the weightage of maths and aptitude? Math and aptitude, 28 marks out of 100. Right? Or from maths only, 13 marks out of 100. Apti, 15 marks out of 100. Right? The weightage of maths is what? Very high. So that if we are simply following this strategy, then we can make balance between the 2 subjects. We are getting the command over the 2 subjects at a time. And definitely, when we are getting the command over the maths and aptitude, it will help to solve you the other subject also. Simple strategy. Okay? Okay then. Next question, sir. Preparing for the GATE and core job, and I am spending 6 to 7 hours in a GATE. Is it enough for both self-study plus live classes included? Preparing for the GATE and core job. Okay, you are preparing for the core job and you are giving the 6 to 7 hours. My dear, what is the meaning of the core job? It means you want the job in what? In your branch, electronics or electrical or mechanical or civil or computer science, yes or no? If you want the job in your core field, then definitely you have to get the command over the subject. So simply 6 to 7 hours, more than sufficient, no problem. Okay, but if you have the enough time, then try to solve the questions. The previous year question will give you the confidence. Okay, definitely previous year question will give you the confidence. Okay then. So hope so you have enjoyed the session. You are on BYJU'S Exam Prep. Right? The most comprehensive app for all exams. So simply follow this strategy and good luck for all the coming exams. Right? And if you find any difficulty, or if you want to get some session on some particular topic, then please give me the comments in comments box, and like the session, share the link of this session and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much and good night.